สวัสดีเจ้าสวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone with me Agent Ping from Keystone Property. What make me fly from Pattaya to Chiang Mai? About this because this one is the one big bedroom in a great location and it's very hot deal of this month. Welcome everyone to this the well-known project Hillside 4 Hauy Kaew, Chiang Mai. Talk about the hot deal. This one, the price offered to you less than 4 million baht. It is 3,990,000 Thai baht and it is under foreigner quota. That means you can own it with your own passport name or welcome for the Thai buyer as well. The transfer in the land office is 50-50 between buyer and the seller. This size is 78.6 square meter, one bedroom, one bathroom, comes with the European kitchen with the granite on top and the hardwood like this. I know it is look very old and who gonna live here? Of course, we will offer or suggest the very good company for renovation for you. The cost that the landlord calculate for you is up to 500,000 baht for invest more than this price. So in the market right now, totally about 5.5 million. But if you buy this one, 4 million plus the renovation about 500,000, you save in your pocket 1 million baht. If you like this high-rise building, this room is just right in the 10th floor of total 15 floor and communal 2 swimming pool and good location. Please call Ping Keystone Property. See you!